Big shot.
Makira Tramble, as we come back, hits a 3, and the Lady Wolves down by 2. Makira Tramble putting the Lady Wolves on her freshman back.
Yeah, she has put us on her back and carrying us. Oh, my goodness. She's having quite a great game for a freshman.
And Mo Tramble goes all the way to the bucket.
And she puts up a shot. Gets the steal, and there's little sister back for the. Whoa, she's on fire! Yes! As we take the lead!
Go up by 1 to start the 4th quarter. Now that is huge. Makira Tramble, nothing but threes raining in that 3rd quarter.
Talk about a heat check.
Oh, 15
Wow.
points in the quarter for Makira Tramble as she pulls her Lady Wolves in front, 41-40 against the Del City Lady Eagles. Jason, that's just unbelievable. Let's thank some of our community businesses for providing support for our playoff telecast. They include Sonic, serving half-price drinks daily during happy hour. Shawnee Milling Company, a proud supporter of Shawnee schools and athletics. Multi-County Insurance, an honest, dedicated, and loyal insurance provider. Pine Cliff Printers, provider of Shawnee's service directory mailed to nearly 10,000 homes. And Performance Course, providing an unrivaled approach to progressively improving athletic ability. What a way to end the quarter, just in a frenzy. Oh, the Lady Wolves give up a steal.
And double dribble.
Very nice.
Yeah.
She goes away with 11 points and 6 rebounds as she was all over the court hustling for those loose balls. The big boost comes off the bench. Makira Tramble ends up with 19 points, 2 rebounds, an assist, and 5 blocked shots on the defensive end. Monica Brooks, she ends up with 10 points, 6 rebounds, and an assist to go along with a block and a steal. And then, of course, Logan Bonner as well with a steal, 3 rebounds, and assist to go along with her 10 points. An overall wonderful area championship for the Lady Wolves.
Oh, yeah, that was a great game. And I'll tell you what, Makira coming off the bench there in the 3rd quarter was so big for the Lady Wolves.
Yes, as the announcement made, as the area champions, the Shawnee Lady Wolves. But it's been a fun time following these Lady Wolves and the Wolves boys.
Oh, yeah. It's been a pleasure doing the Lady Wolves and watching them, go through a couple of trials here and there during the season. But now at the end of the season, they are exactly where Coach Wells wants them to be. They're on a hot streak. They're playing good as a team. And with everybody stepping up from the seniors to the freshmen, they look to do a lot of damage next week.
March 10th, 11th, and 12th, the state tournament. We sure hope we can bring home another state title.
Exactly.